as you can see, it's actually generating our money and our dice rolls. What is up, people, and welcome to my brand new tutorial. In this tutorial, guys, I'm going to show you how I got unlimited money and dice rolls in my Monopoly Go game using online tool that is absolutely free and safe, guys, and you don't have to download any APKs or mods or anything related without jailbreaking or rooting. It's absolutely free, safe, and online, guys. It's amazing tool. I will show you everything. So, guys, you can do it with your Android or your iOS devices. It works perfectly for both devices. So, guys, before we start with this tutorial, we just want to make sure that our low power battery mode is off. So let's go to settings and let's search for a battery and simply let's turn it off. On your iOS devices, it's called low power mode, so simply turn it off. And then let's go to Google or any browser you got, guys, and navigate to this website. It's called twixen.com, as you can see. So under online gen tools, you will find this enter button. So click here and you will find Monopoly Go. Just click here. And guys, we will get into Twixen Monopoly Go tool official. As you can see, it's the official Monopoly Go online tool. So guys, we will have to find our user ID of our Monopoly Go game. So if you don't know how to find it, just click here how to find your user ID, or simply let me show you. So guys, go to three-dot menu up there. Go to settings and you will find your user ID here. So simply click here to copy it, and let's get back to our tool. Let's paste it and let's click continue, guys. So let's hope that it will actually find our username. Nice, guys, it actually found our user ID. So on second step, we'll have to select our dice rolls and money amount. I will select this dice rolls and money, it's maximum currently, and click send. So guys, make sure to subscribe my channel in order to stay updated with all this content, I mean tutorials and reviews for Monopoly Go dice rolls and money. I will record it a lot. So guys, we got into last step, so we'll have to check this that we're not a robot, and we will have a few minutes to do this. So guys, we must do this because there's a lot of malicious bot attempts that will attack this website daily basis. So yeah, let's click here, guys, and let's verify that we are not robot, and we got redirected into this bot check, and it's actually the last step. So guys, what we will have to do here, we will simply need to download 2 free games from the list, or complete 2 simple and free questionnaires and follow their instructions to pass the bot check, guys. You will have a different list of games and questionnaires based on your current country. Questionnaires are easier, guys, but the games are more interesting for this bot check. So now I will complete first and second task because it's games and it's in fun. So what will I do, guys? I will download Travel Town, and when I download it, I will install it and complete level 9. I mean, I will open it, play, and reach level 9 because it's a requirement. And I will download Coin Master on same way, install it, open, and complete Village 3. So how will I download it? I will click free, I will click go, and it will start downloading this game from official Google Play store if you're using Android. If you're using your iOS devices, it will start downloading from official app store, so you don't have to worry, guys. It's absolutely free and safe. You don't have to worry, I must repeat it. So that's pretty much what will I do now, guys. So see you when I complete these 2 tasks. Be right back. So let's see together what will happen and does it actually work.
A few minutes later.
Okay, guys, I have just completed this and this task, as I said, and I got this message, guys. You completed 2 tasks successfully along this redirecting text, guys. I'm still waiting for about 1 minute and literally nothing happened. So let's see together, will it actually redirect us? Nice. Nice, guys, we actually got redirected and we got verification successful. Thank you for passing the bot check. Dice rolls and money are on the way, guys. Our user ID, our dice roll sent, and our money sent, guys. I'm so excited to open now Monopoly Go and to test does it actually work. So guys, as you can see, I have downloaded Travel Town and Coin Master, and I have completed its requirements, and it actually worked amazing. I mean, you saw it redirected us. So let's open our Monopoly Go game and let's see, does it actually work, guys? I'm so excited. As I said, I must repeat it because I'm never getting that lot of. Let's click here. So still nothing. Okay, guys, as you can see, it's actually generating our money and our dice rolls, and it worked amazing, guys, as you can see. So this Twixen.com online tool is actually working amazing, guys, and it's the legit tool where you can get your money and your dice rolls for Monopoly Go. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys, for this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. If you need any help, make sure to comment down below. I will be there. So once again, thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.